Hello, in this lesson we are going to discuss about Blade. Blade is the templating engine of Laravel. I'll start by opening the hello.php file located in the views folder. In order to take advantage of Blade, we'll have to rename the hello.php file to hello.blade.php. I'll go to the file menu and we'll save the file as hello.blade.php. It's important to include the Blade word before the PHP extension. I'll start by editing the text from "You have arrived" to "Laravel has arrived." I'll then get back to my routes.php file and we delete the commented lines that we wrote earlier. Next, at the end of the viewMake function call, I will add an array containing a location and will set its value to California. Let's see now how we can access this array from our view. Let's switch back to our view, and in order to display the variable in the view, we have to include it in double curly braces. Let's save the page and refresh our browser, and the variable is displayed. Let's specify a date in our view. We can do that by simply using the PHP function date, again inside double curly braces. The date is now displayed at the end of our text. I'm going to declare a new array called cities, which will contain more cities like Los Angeles, San Francisco, New York, and Miami. Let's add this new array as an argument when calling the make function of the view. Back in our hello.blade.php file, let's loop through the array's element and display them as a list. Blade offers a convenient way to do this by using for each statement. This works the same as for each in PHP. First, we need to start the line with an @ sign. Then we say for each cities as city. We then declare a list item that will hold our city name, and beside this we'll put the $city variable inside double curly braces as usual. We need to close the loop with an @end for each statement. Let's refresh the page, and now all our cities are being displayed. But later we decide that we want to display all these cities unless the city is San Francisco. We simply use the unless statement, again with the @ sign before it. And don't forget to close the block of code with, you guessed it, and unless. Currently all cities are being displayed, but let's refresh the page and San Francisco is no longer present in our list. Another statement that we can use is if. That works like the if statement in PHP. Also, we need to close it with and if. This time only San Francisco is displayed. And we end the lesson with else, which also works like in PHP. In this lesson we discussed about Blade, the Laravel's templating engine. We saw how simple it is to integrate our variables into it, and we also covered some of the control statements like if, else, for each, and unless. We saw that we can run any valid PHP function as long as we'll put it in the double curly braces. In the next lesson we'll start working on a new Laravel application, a login registration system. See you soon, cause we've still got a lot to learn.